Hello, Vinicius Brasil, Santa Clara real estate guy, and I'm here with the latest walkthrough 360 virtual tour of my latest listing, 2630 Webster Court in beautiful Darvon Park, Santa Clara. So we're right in front right now at the house, and if you haven't seen one of these 360 tours, I've got a 360 camera here, which allows me to walk through the house and give you a point of view perspective where you can navigate or change or navigate the camera angles with your fingers if you're on your mobile phone or your mouse if you're on a desktop phone, all right? So I'm gonna try to keep the camera as steady as possible in some of the positions so you can look around. But first we're gonna start on the outside here. So the house is located on the corner of a nice little cul-de-sac in the Darvon Park neighborhood, right off of Shamrock over here. And it's pretty close to El Camino. You've got another street over there called Donovan, and then you've got the El Camino. It's fairly quiet over here. You don't hear too much noise, maybe a little bit of noise of San Tomas over there coming from the northeast direction, but besides that, fairly quiet outside. All right, let's kind of take a look around here just at the front. We've got some really nice planters with some mature landscaping, a nice little Japanese maple tree right there in the front. And you can kind of see the front yard here, the driveway, the walkways, and I'm gonna walk a little bit around the side of the house too. Now these Darvon Park homes were developed in the mid-1950s, and this one has been added to. So this addition right here in front that you're looking at is not part of the original structure. We'll go inside and take a look at that. And that was about, I would estimate around 250 square feet, or maybe between 250 and 300 square feet that was added by the current owners. It was done with permits. We have all those details in our disclosures, and it's a nice family room addition with vaulted ceilings. It feels really nice and bright and airy. All right, let's go ahead and walk through. You can see the entry here. We've got a few Japanese maples, one here and one here at the entry. And kind of this really nice little shaded courtyard or entrance. We're right here at the brick porch, and you'll notice right here to my left, or my right I should say, there's an entrance to the garage from the outside. There's also an entrance from the inside as well, and we'll walk through that as well. So here we are at the front door, and immediately upon entering, you're in the living room. I'm gonna go ahead and close the front door. And you've got a little coat closet here, right there where you can store brooms, coats, vacuum. And here you've got your living space. And living space is fairly nice. You've got two sun tunnels here. You've got some windows over there on the either side of the fireplace. And that does have a gas starter in that fireplace. It's still a wood-burning fireplace, but it does have a gas starter. And you can see the valve there on the floor. We've recently updated this home with some new SPC waterproof flooring, and you'll see that throughout the house. We have some fresh paint as well, some new baseboards that give this a nice little contemporary feel. And when you step down over here, here's that addition I was referring to earlier. This is the family room, or just another living space, and you can kind of see the dimensions here. We've got it set up as a nice family room with a TV. We've got some nice windows here in the front. Now this is facing north, so the front of the house does face north. So you're not getting a lot of direct sunlight here, but it's fairly bright with all the windows, and you get a lot of natural light coming through. And I'll just go here on this angle so you can take a look as well. You've got higher ceilings here. I would estimate about 9 feet, and of course it vaults up maybe to about 10 or 11. All right. And going through the living rooms, we've got our dining room over here, which is going to be adjacent to our kitchen. And you can kind of see it's a little kitchen here, but you've got gas cooking, refrigerator, you've got your sink, your washer down here, or your dishwasher, some good cabinetry, and you've got some possibilities here for the future if you wanted to remodel, maybe make it a U-shaped kitchen or an L-shaped kitchen with an island. Possibly open up this wall here and open it up to your living space as well. So some possibilities here. Nice, comfortable dining space here that can fit a good sized table. And this all overlooks your backyard. Now this is possibly the best feature of the house, is this nice large backyard. You've got this pergola with this hanging wisteria vine, you know, wonderfully shading this patio. And you've got several walkways here with raised planter beds with some vegetables just ready to come in. I think I see some Swiss chard there. Looks like to be maybe pumpkins or some sort of other type of vegetable there. And you can kind of see a lot of mature plants. You've got low water landscaping for the most part here in the back. Another patio area here that you can use maybe for a fire pit or maybe another table and chair set. And I'll just kind of hang out over here on the side and let you have a different perspective of what this yard looks like from this corner. And if you walk down this walkway, we're going to go to the side yard here. And you can see the fence, the neighbor's fence. You've got a gate over there. You got some lighting for your exterior lighting controls. And just kind of walk right over here through your pergola, which is a really nice pergola, and you can just feel the shade, much cooler underneath here. And again, this faces south of the backyard, so you're getting plenty of sunlight on this side of the house. And of course, you've got this large Modesto ash tree here in front of me. This is a city tree as well, and this provides a lot of shade. So here's another look from this angle to kind of take a look, and you've got a little shed here for storage that's just right next to the property. And you can see they've got their lawnmower here as well as some other gardening tools. And nice little place to put that. And you've got another gate here to go to the outside. And you've got another gate over there to go to the front. So a lot of access in and out of your backyard. Let's get back in the house and we'll take a look at the bedrooms and bathrooms. And here we are. So down the hall, you've got your first bathroom here. It's just a simple, you know, hall bathroom. You've got tub over shower combination here. You've got dual vanity, which is a nice little feature to have. These Darvon Park bathrooms generally didn't have dual vanities, so this was changed a little bit later and modified. And down the hallway here, you've got your first guest bedroom with closet, and kind of get an idea of the dimensions of this room. Now, if you need dimensions, we've got a Matterport tour with a 2D floor plan. You can access that all on our property website, 2630webster.com. So feel free to take a look at that. You can walk through the Matterport tour, get the dimensions from the 2D floor plan. Here's the other guest bedroom, which is slightly a little bit wider. And you can see it's got a built-in bookcase over here. Got some nice views of the backyard. And you can kind of see the closet over there. And we've got it staged with a twin bed and a little secretary or a little desk over there. And here's a simple closet, right? And this SPC flooring running throughout most of the home, with the exception of that step down family room. And then here is the furnace. Furnace is located here in your closet. So it's an older furnace, and it does not have AC. And here we are again, another sun tunnel here in this room. This is the master bedroom that has the attached bathroom. You've got quite a large closet over here, and I'll go over here to the corner so you can take a look at what this room looks like from this angle. And then we'll walk over here to the master bathroom. So you've got a little vanity, toilet, stall shower right over here. Pretty simple, not bad in terms of space for Santa Clara, but definitely not very large either. And another interesting feature this house has is it has a door from your master bath that leads to your garage. And I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through here. So that was the door on the porch that we saw earlier, and you can see you've got a 2-car garage here. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up to give us a little bit more light. You've got a newer water heater here. You've got a water softener system, sink, washer and dryer. You've got the door leading to your side yard over there. And of course, you've got your automatic garage door opener, some storage cabinetry that's built in there on that wall. And of course, we're getting back to the outside again. So that's it for the tour of 2630 Webster Court. If you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly. You can email me at vbrasil@thebrazilgroup.com, or you can call me at 408-582-3272. Thanks again for joining me, and we'll see you on the next one.